Hi you guys, welcome to a new vlog. I had such a good workout today. I'm feeling very energetic once again. I have had some hip problems, and let me tell you, ever since I've been lifting weights again and being more active in squats and stuff, I have zero hip pain. It just is incredible how a lot of our problems are fixed through good nutrition and exercise. It's like, duh, Kina, you know this. But yeah, so I'm feeling really good. I have some exciting news for those of you who are Jerry Seinfeld fans. I was lucky enough to get tickets to his show. He's coming to Chicago in November, and Chris and I have been wanting to see his stand-up comedy for years and years, and I'm just like, we're never gonna make it. He's gonna end up retiring because he's in his 60s, and it's just gonna pass us by. But thankfully, I got some tickets. We got great seats, and I'm just like super excited about it. So anyway, it's just been such a good day so far. I'm in a great mood, like I said, so I thought I would make something fun, like ceviche. I'm making some shrimp ceviche. I'm getting my apron because I'm wearing all white today. I went ahead and prepped all of my ingredients. I actually had to just run to the store and come back because I didn't have any tomatoes, and you cannot make ceviche without tomatoes. I put my shrimp in a bowl of lemon and lime juice, and I let it sit in the fridge for an hour, and you know that it's done because it doesn't have that transparency to it and it turns a little pink, and then I just chop it up into little pieces like this. I like to use spring green onions, and I mix some freshly grated garlic in there. I have a lot of cilantro. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of it, but we do like a lot of cilantro. Roma tomatoes, I have my lime, and then I have some chopped up jalapenos over here. Of course, salt and pepper. I always like to add adobo, and then some crushed red pepper for some extra heat. Everybody has like that one secret ingredient or that one ingredient that just makes it their own. Mine is a bottle of Modelo beer. I usually put that on in the end, but we're not gonna do that today. I have my jalapenos, so now I'm just gonna dump everything else in. I might not use all of it. We'll see. Let's do it like that. Salt, pepper, chili, adobo, more lime. Let's mix it up. And get a nice thick chip that won't break easily. I'm gonna wrap this up, let it marinate in the fridge for another hour or two, and just allow those flavors to combine with each other, and it'll be perfect. All right guys, it is a new day. Do you ever wonder about mattress toppers, if they can really make your bed feel a lot more comfortable if you have a mattress that's too firm? I wonder that because I have a very hard mattress right now. I need something a lot more firm because I'm a back sleeper and I need something with good support, but it would be nice to have a little pillow top. So I ordered one, and we're gonna go put it on my bed and check it out, see if it's worth it, see if it really makes a difference, and then I'll share it with you guys down below if I think it's a good buy. So from Amazon, I got everything from Amazon, of course. I have Maxwell, who has sensitive skin, and the collar that I had on him has some metal on it, and it was causing irritation. So I went ahead and purchased this by the brand Positive. Focus. Okay, good. And it is made from hemp, and on the inside, it's really nice and cushiony. So apparently, if your dog has sensitive skin, this is supposed to be a great option. So we're gonna try it out. And then I got these little water dishes that you can just pop out. So when we're out and about, it's hot outside and doggos need a little water break. It's really little, but you know, when you're out and about, you don't really need a ton of water, but I have 2 of them for my dogs. So that's it. And this has the plastic buckle, and it's adjustable, and there's all different sizes, of course. All right, I'm gonna take this big box upstairs with me and I will see you guys up there. I'm just looking at the instructions and it says how to make it fluffy again. Open the package, pat, shake it vigorously 3 times, put it in the dryer on low heat for a few minutes, and it'll fluff up and take its shape. So I took it out of the dryer and it feels a lot thicker for sure. It feels quality. I'm not gonna get too excited yet because you never know, but I just wanted to show you guys if you have like a really thick, tall mattress, this will work for that too. My initial reaction is it is very soft. It's pillowy. It feels like cotton broken up inside. It's not foamy or anything. The Amazon reviews say that it's supposed to have a cooling technology to it as well. So if you're a hot sleeper, this is supposed to be good for that. It's really nice. I think I'm really gonna like it, but we have to see. I just made the bed up and laid on it again. And just to give you an idea of what it feels like a quilted comforter doubled up, maybe even tripled up, and then being put on top of the mattress and you lying on that. To me, it makes a really big difference. Again, I want to sleep on it for the entire night, but just laying on it for 5 or 10 minutes, it makes me excited to go to sleep tonight. I think it's going to be a good one. All right, now I'm going to take a quick moment to repot my little plants that I bought recently, and then we're going to make some homemade fudgy brownies. Brownies, girl. I'm so in the mood for some chocolate. I found a great recipe, so I'm excited to do that. But those guys up there, they're not doing so well. I heard that the people that you buy your plants from can oftentimes put fertilizer to make them look very green and lush and attractive so that you buy them, of course. I've been watering them every day, but maybe it's too much. I don't know, but we're just gonna repot. The only way I'm used to making brownies is Duncan Hines in the box, and I think those brownies are so good. It's less than $2 a box, and that's what me and my family have had for years and years. But since I figured out that it only takes a couple of ingredients to make it at home, why not? Everything is better when it's homemade, so we're gonna attempt it right now. And of course, I'm gonna have the recipe linked below for you guys. All right, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. This is light brown sugar, but you could use dark. Salt. And then our cocoa. Okay, so I have my hot butter here. And then we're gonna use 3 eggs. And then we're gonna put a little bit of coffee, just a splash, like a teaspoon or so. Coffee really wakes up the flavor of chocolate, and it does not make your brownies taste like chocolate or coffee. Don't worry about that. And then vanilla. And that's it. Those are all of our ingredients, and I'm just gonna mix it up. So beautiful. Smells amazing. Okay. You're gonna wanna use an 8x8 pan. I don't have one. I'm using a 9x9 because that's all I have. I lined it with parchment paper so that the brownies are easy to get out. Look at all that goodness. Nice and thick. I don't like a cakey brownie. I like it when it's nice and condensed, nice and dense. I love the crispy edges and that gooey center. So excited. My family hates walnuts in their brownies and in their banana bread. I love walnuts, so I just take a little area and load it up with nuts, and the rest is for them. While the brownies cook, I'm having some leftover chips and ceviche.
Done with this?
I don't know if I did the measuring wrong in this recipe, but I don't think the brownies were sweet enough. I think they taste good, but they're very, very fudgy, chocolatey. The texture is great, nice and crispy on the edges and gooey inside, but not very sweet. So what I did was put some powdered sugar on top, and Chris tasted it and thought that it was better. Yeah.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for the next vlog because tomorrow we're going to the Puerto Rican festival. That's always fun, great live music and amazing food. And then I have some dresses coming in from, I don't remember where I ordered them, but they're so cute. I can't wait to show you guys. So next vlog's gonna be a lot of fun too. Can't wait to see you then. Chris has been working insane hours this whole week. I've barely got to see him at all, so we are having a movie marathon night. We're going old school and watching the Mattress series, the first one all the way until, what's there, like 3 or 4. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out and do that. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I have just really been in the mood for cooking and baking. It's been so much fun. I think this is a phase. I'm just really enjoying being back in the kitchen. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it too. Have an amazing rest of your evening or rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.